Welcome. On sale today, BMW, the 1.9 diesel, the iDrive. It's 2012, very nice mileage, just one owner, great history, in the black with the glass roof, really sets the car off. Come and have a look. We've got the front and rear parking sensors with the 5-spoke alloys. Car is all HPI clear. It really is a very nice example. No accident damage, no outstanding finance, everything as it should be. Great miles per gallon on these. This one's a very nice spec indeed. It's the iDrive. Come and have a look inside. On the inside, nice miles, 69,350. Comes with a fresh MOT. As I said, 2 keys, service history, 6-speed box, all your media, heated seat pack, your Bluetooth, your cruise control. Really is very nicely looked after. With that roof, sets it off. Everything as it should be. In the rear, again, all in good order. With the tyre inflator kit all present, etc. Roof lining in super order, all the door cards in fantastic order. Check us out on Car Dealer Reviews. They're all independently verified. We're very proud of those reviews, and our Facebook page with over 4,200 followers, SCSWS11. Go onto the website scsws11.co.uk. Tells you a bit about us, how you can go about part exchange, how we can finance this. We're FCA regulated, so it's not a problem. We can shop round for finance. That's very efficient, and the rates are brilliant at the moment. We can do part exchange, UK delivery. We drive these cars to your doorstep. Alternatively, come to us, junction 11 12 of the M6 in Staffordshire, Cannock Chase. Very easy access on the A5 there. 30 seconds off the toll road, a couple of minutes off either junction 11 or 12. Cannock or Penkridge train stations, or we can get you from Birmingham Airport, not a problem. Simply give us a ring, 01543 523 007. That's on sale today. One owner, great history, 2 keys, BMW 1 Series, SDRIVE. Lovely car. Hopefully we'll speak to you soon.